Project was closing. No one knows Project I close out, I said. And oh my god, I'm back. I know, I'm back from Hawaii. It's great. But I also 10 subscribers special. I know it's not much, but I'm thankful for what I have. And so today, I'm going to be making a 10 subscriber special plate. So a 10 subscriber special award thing. Mobile. Yeah. It's been so long since I said my intro. I'm so happy to be back, even though Hawaii was amazing. I'm actually going to do a series of storytelling Hawaii, where I told the stories that I did in Hawaii and stuff. Okay, so I have some supplies. I have some pens, and I have a piece of paper. Whee! You know what? And I have this. Oh, I have this. And yeah. Anyways, it's falling too fast to even see. At least what I can see on this recording. But I'm gonna start out with making 2 holes at the top here. You'll see why in a sec. And if you're doing it along with me, which you aren't, I'm gonna add it. Good thing I have some more over here. Yeah. And back. Okay. So actually, a better idea, take this and poke holes through it. I really should have figured out whether my markers worked before I started recording, but I don't plan ahead like that, so. Okay, it builds character. Oh my god, I read too many books. Okay, I'm going to try this on here. Just do it! Just do it! I'm sorry, that is a very, very dead meme. It's so dead. Okay, sorry. It's been a while. I'm just looking at all the setup. It's been so long. Eek. I'm really excited to be back. Even though it's cold in Vermont. It's cold. It's freezing. I hate it. I wish I could be back in Hawaii, but then I couldn't record videos, and that would suck, so. And then I would never even know that I got 10 subscribers. That would be sad. I'd be very sad when I realized it's been like 20 years and I got 10 subscribers like 3 years ago and 10 years ago and I never did it special. Anyways, yeah. Where did my marker go? Here it is. My dad's making weird faces at me through the corridor. Of course, I'm still at my mother's house. What did I press? I pressed something on the keyboard, but no one cares. Okay. I'm worried I'm gonna mess this up, but I will. So better not worry about it. Just do it. Just do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop now. Sorry if I'm talking quietly. Some people are talking in the other room. Oh my god, this marker isn't working. I told myself I should get a marker that works, but I'll find another one.
Hi, honey. Let's go.
That's not. Okay, I'm back. I'll get this done. This marker works so much better. Let's just mess this up. Okay, messing up. In the process of messing up. And there. Yeah, that's really bad. Okay, I'm glad we had that top piece of paper. That is the worst. For me, it's the right direction. For you, it's the wrong direction, which I guess just makes it even more messed up. Which is, I guess, what we're going for? I don't know anymore. Of course, my pen isn't working again, because that's how it's gonna work. Okay, let's just lazily do this. There, it looks wonderful. I can barely even see it. Work! Still didn't work. Darn it. The best. Ready? and make it even better. I'm gonna color it in some more. Wonderful. It says wow and amazing because you can't read backwards. You can't. I'm being sarcastic, okay? I'm being sarcastic. Gosh. Alright. Amazing. Wow. So cool. I think that's great. So 10 subs. Good. Entertained. Alright, you're entertained now. That's what I was doing. 10 subs. Good freaking job. Great. It's wonderful. So proud. Now I gotta do, confetti. Yay, wonderful. I'm so happy. I'm actually really glad I have 10 subscribers. And, yeah, it looks wonderful. That's exactly how I pictured it in my mind. It's the best that's ever happened. Yee. And all that good stuff. I still have to figure out what I did. Okay, I undid it. Alright. So, yeah, I'm not gonna see if there's anything I can add on to it. I see tape. This is a good thing for me. I'm gonna see if I can find. Alright, I got my tape. I just don't have scissors, but what I do have is this. But I realized I couldn't have because I didn't have glue. But tape is even worse, which is good. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can rip out the play button because I'm steady. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I can do this. I can do this. Just do it. I'm gonna stop now. I promise. One of these days I'll stop. Okay. Now get the top. Get the top. I'm bored. Okay. I hope you're not bored, because you are 1 out of 10. Okay. In 10 people, someone's gonna enjoy this video. If not 9 out of 10 people, if not 2 people, one of us will. One of the birds, one of the flock. I just made that up right on the spot. We are now the flock. Our subscribers are the flock. Smart. I'm gonna go back to it. Okay, take that there. Looking wonderful, wonderful, amazing. So I have the 10 subscribers, the wrapping paper play button. Okay, it's the wrapping paper play button. I'll write that on the top, on the bottom, I mean. Entertain, confetti hands. Want to see my cat noises? Wait, ready? I learned these from my cat, because he meows a lot. See, I'm half cat. My mom is a cat. Wait, I'm gonna trademark this. Yes, you heard me correctly. I'm gonna trademark wrapping paper play button. No judge. Don't judge. Alright. Trademarked. Wrapping paper play button. Woo! Amazing. Alright, so thank you guys so much for, what was it again? Oh yeah. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for 10 subscribers. If you would like, I'm just fiddling with this. It's pretty. It's so very pretty. If you would like to watch more videos from my channel, click there where there will be the video that is recommended for you with your viewing patterns. If you want to click there, then you can subscribe to Larkaya Quail. That's me, if you didn't know. Okay, so, I'm bored right now. Hopefully watching some videos will help that, preferably Jacksepticeye or Mega Power, or I'm not getting into this. I'm just gonna close these ads because they're really annoying, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!